Hi again. So now Kaylee and I will be moving on to making the nothing but veggie chips, and we'll be making them with carrots and beets. Are you ready?
Absolutely. You can choose any vegetables you want. You want to pick like a dryish one, but today we'll be working with beets and carrots. So first thing, we peel the carrots and peel the beets.
Okay.
So you use my handy dandy Italian peeler.
Wait, now tell me, why is it an Italian peeler?
Well, I got it at a farmer's market in Italy, and it was literally 50 cents. The best 50 cents I've ever spent. Well, maybe not, because this was about $1.
Where'd you get that?
This was in Vietnam, like in the villages of Vietnam. This old man was making it, and it's like the best peeler I've ever had. It's amazing. So these two together can conquer any kitchen. So to make the chips, you basically can use a mandolin, but like I said, this is an amazing tool. So I kind of just make it as thin as possible. You can use a mandolin, you can use whatever thing you have at home that you like, or hand do it. Okay, so I got it started for you.
So I can see that the slices are a little short, thin,
or long, however you want to do it.
Any size, really.
Yep, any size.
Chips come in all sizes.
That's right. And I'm going to do the same thing with my chips and see if this Italian thing works.
Okay.
Oh, see? It's making chips too. Okay, so let me show you one thing with this. So you can see the difference. See, it's almost paper thin, and I'll show it here. And then I'll do one here just to show like a gigantic piece. I know it takes a little practice.
Yeah, it does.
See, it takes a little practice with these things. See, and then
this was my chip, and that was her chip.
And then we're going to dehydrate it because you can't fry without dehydrating. Okay, so I have a dehydrator here, and we're gonna go ahead and place the chips on, and then just turn on the dehydrator.
Okay, just place them.
Yep, just place them. It doesn't even have to be single layer. I literally just throw them on because I do this again while I'm cooking dinner for the rest of my family, and this is a treat for later on. And then you dehydrate, and we'll be right back with the end product. Okay, are you ready to fry up these babies?
I am very ready.
All right. So should we start with carrots?
Yeah, let's do the carrots.
So my oil's at 315. Honestly, when I do it on the stovetop, I don't measure. I usually just throw one in, and if it sizzles and it kind of bubbles, then I know it's ready. So why don't we throw one in?
Let's try it out. This is a tester.
Yeah.
I see the bubbling.
You can hear it, yeah. So you don't want to dump the whole thing in because it'll reduce the heat of the oil. So just like maybe a handful at a time, yeah. Yep. And then, all right.
Oh, I can definitely hear the sizzle there.
Because these were thinner, right? And more dehydrated. So, ooh, it smells so good.
I'm ready for the salt.
So all the sugars in the carrots really caramelize it. So that browning color. Right. Okay, are you ready to try it?
I am very ready.
Okay, you kind of have to wait till they're cool.
Okay.
Or else they're not crunchy.
I heard your crunch.
Maybe the beet chips are not cool yet. And you did great with the salt.
Oh, thank you.
It tastes like a potato chip.
So delicious.